Hey everyone, I'm Will Perriman with Artec Industries, and today we are installing the 5th Gen 4Runner gas tank skid. Step 1 of the gas tank skid install is to remove the factory pan. To do so, you'll remove these 3 bolts from the frame side, driver's side, and then the support bracket bolts from these 3 support brackets. It's super simple, super light, you can lift it by yourself. Let's jump into the install of our actual gas tank skid plate. Right over here. The install of our gas tank skid plate is so easy, a caveman can do it. Step 2, we install these 3 brackets up on the frame rails. Using your M8 bolts, we're going to install the first bracket up behind the drive shaft. All right, tech tip is we want to leave these brackets a little bit loose until we get the aluminum skid plate on. Let's move back to the back bracket, the long one. It's going to go up here. Got it. Move it a little bit loose. And now for the small bracket. It's going to go up here between the sway bar, the gas tank skid, and this little bracket that's cropped out. See right there? All right, bam, look at that, done. Step 3 is to install the actual skid plate to the brackets. The easiest way to do this is to start on the passenger side, hook your bracket in, bad boys in. We'll leave that a little bit loose, and we'll come back and install these 3 after we get the rest of the button heads in.
Almost far left if you can. Yeah, all right. Boom.
Step 4, we're gonna tighten all the hardware. You wanna start with the button heads on the aluminum skid, and then you're gonna jump to the M8 bolt, which you're gonna suck the brackets up to the frame. Let's finish this install so we can go out and wheel. We've just finished the install on the world's strongest gas tank skid for your 5th gen 4Runner. Make sure you go out and beat and abuse this thing. If you like this video, make sure you like it, comment, share it. If you don't, just go to the next video. If you're a caveman and you made it through this, you should feel good about yourself.